Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Attitude, laundry detergent, 35 loads, citrus zest, 35.5 fluid ounces, 1.05 liters. Product overview description. Hypoallergenic Ecologo, product certified for reduced environmental impact, advanced deodorizing power, cruelty-free and vegan. We're driven to envision and create natural, vegan and environmentally preferable products. Inspired by the force of nature and the power of science, our Nature Plus technology line features ultra-efficient, plant-based ingredients, and it's created with your family and the planet in mind. Suggested use. See table for dosing instructions. For touch stains, pour a small quantity directly on stain and rub or allow soaking before washing. Always check labels for special instructions. 4.5 kilograms, load weight, soil level. Light heavy. Water hardness soft 15 milliliters 30 milliliters. Medium 30 milliliters 45 milliliters. Hard 45 milliliters 60 milliliters plus. Other ingredients. 5% to 15% vegetable anionic surfactants, sodium cocoa sulfate, 5% to 15% vegetable non-ionic surfactants, lauryl glucoside. Contains also, water, sodium citrate, sodium gluconate, glycerin, camellia sinensis leaf, green tea, extract, terpineol, citrus, decanal, citrus, allyl caproate, sweet fruit. Warnings. Keep out of reach of children. Causes serious eye irritation. Keep out of reach of children. If in eyes, rinse cautiously with water for several minutes. Remove contact lenses, if present and easy to do. Continue rinsing. If eye irritation persists, get medical advice. Attention. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.